Hey there, this is Todd with Industrial Comfort. In today's video, I want to cover an often overlooked bit of maintenance on your Jeep, which is changing the internal cabin air filter of your vehicle. Now, it's generally recommended that this be done about every 30,000 miles. And for today, I'm going to be using a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, the good news for us Grand Cherokee owners is that the process and even the parts are going to be the same across a broad number of years. So as an example, the process and the part was the same 10 years ago. You'll just want to double check to make absolutely sure, depending on what vehicle your Jeep is. The other thing is that this does not go in a very obvious place. So let me show you how to replace this to get that fresh air circulating again. So if you can believe it, we're actually going to open the glove compartment of our Jeep. And on the side here, you'll notice that there's a little, almost like a lanyard attached to a piece of plastic. We're going to actually close the door a little bit so that we can grab a little bit of slack. We're going to pull this forward and it's going to pop right out. The next thing we're going to do is take these two side wings and pull them in so that we can drop the panel here on the glove box. And it's just going to come right off. Now the filter is going to lie right here. Let me change the camera angle so we can see what we're looking at. Now that we've got the door off, you can see that there is a panel right here. And on the left side of this panel, there's a little hook. And on the top here, let me find it, there is a little tab. What we're going to want to do is pull this hook toward us and push this tab up to release the door. And that will expose the filter. Now keep in mind, when we pull this filter out, it'll have arrows showing you which direction the airflow goes. So here's a better view that will show you the direction of the arrows. So let's get the new filter in there. At this point, we're just going to reverse the process and slide this filter in. You might have to pinch the back a little bit to get it to fit. And it is a little awkward. We'll push that back in. Now that that's in place, we will put the door back. And this just snaps back in place. I'm not sure if you can see very well from this angle, but there are 3 gaps here that correspond to the 3 hinges on this door. So we're going to make sure that we have the hinges appropriately seated here. And then we're going to grab the lanyard, which is on a spring mechanism, and we are going to put it back into the hole that we removed it from earlier. And it should slide back into place. Okay, now the only thing left to do is just push the door back up. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Changing the cabin air filter of your vehicle isn't something that a lot of people think about, and the service intervals were at really long times, approximately 30,000 miles. But it never hurts to change the filter to get that fresh air back in your cabin. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.